They got to evil saw.
Alright, so we got a push stick, if that's what you want to call it. Nice and plastic. And we got a big old thing of not cardboard, it's styrofoam. Got a nice choking hazard for a toddler. Ooh, the saw blade's already in there, folks. What is that? Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. All right. Okay. Now, let's get the stand out. Okay. There's 1.
Okay, let's call Mommy Dad.
2,
Hey, Mama.
3, 4, 5.
It's guys you
6.
need to kill, Mom.
Maverick, do you know what this is called?
Yeah.
I don't. I forget what it's called. It's not the pusher. It's oh shoot, I don't know. It's I know what it does. I just don't know what it's called. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, what do you need that one thing?
Oops. Say what, bud? Got a couple of wrenches. You gotta stay out here with me, bud, okay? Look, you can get your phone when I go inside, okay? You can come with me, okay? But I'm not going inside right now.
I'll try that one.
You wanna play with this?
Yeah.
Okay.
They have wheels.
Yeah, I know. You took the wheels off, bud.
Yeah.
Not much I can do about that. Sorry. I can't fix it right now, bud. You caught me at a bad time, sir. Okay. I'm gonna drill a hole in the handle of this. It's kind of warm out here in the shed. I don't have an air conditioner, but drill a hole in the handle of this so I can hang it next to the thing. Do you know where your phone is?
Yeah.
Where?
Couch.
It's on the couch?
Yeah.
Okay, look. You got 4 minutes, okay? If you're not back outside with your phone in 4 minutes, I'm coming to get you and put you down for a nap, okay?
Go get my phone.
No, you gotta go get it.
Okay, Dad.
Now, what am I looking for? Let's go with this one. Seems good enough, right? You got your phone? All right, come on, hurry. Come on, hurry, run. Double time, kid.
What? This is the remote. What is this big?
Huh? It's not gonna fit. What that was. You learn something new every day, folks. Need a bigger drill bit. Go big or go home, right? That's what they always say. You happy now that you got your phone, bud?
Yeah.
Okay. B-Tech phone. All right. By the way, folks, if I mix up my words or anything like that, I've only got like 2 or 3 hours of sleep last night, so deal with it. Where you going? No, you stay out here with me. The fence. This is called the fence. Duh. God, I'm an idiot. For those of you that don't know, I'm looking through the user manual just to make sure. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. There's more videos to come. The next ones are going to be kind of all over the place, unfortunately, but that's the way it goes when you got a bunch of stuff on your plate. Y'all have a good day or night or whatever it is where you're at.